All right, so we have another wintry day and another windmill that needs repair. So the windmill here behind us, the fan, the turbine has come off this unit for some reason, and so we had to rebuild it. Got bent up when it came down, so we rebuilt it, and we're ready to get started bringing the windmill down to the ground so that we can put the new windmill fan on it. You can see it's a lovely wintry day, a little below freezing, and a little bit challenging to work, but we'll get her done and get another windmill fixed. You can see we've got the windmill down, and the head's ready for the turbine to go back on.